What is that? What you got there?
A Lego fidget spinner.
Oh. Where else do you see that? Oh. It's on your phone. What about this one? The blue and the red. What color do they make when they spin so fast?
It's scary. It looks scary.
Let me see if I can get it to
It
spin.
looks scary. It looks scary. It looks scary.
What about this one? Does this one spin really well?
Yes.
Oh, well, not if your hand gets in the way. There we go. And this one? Whoa. Can Dada spin them? Oh, he's putting together. Which one do you think?
The scary fidget spinner. That's
Oh.
the scary fidget spinner.
You think he's putting together that one? Yes.
He's putting together the scary fidget spinner.
Why is that one so scary?
Because it is, and that makes it purple.
Oh, when the red and the blue combine, they look like purple. And then go fast enough. Ready? Can Dada spin it? Oh! Yeah, it does look purple. Because red and blue make purple. It spins so fast that our eye blends the two together. What color does this make when it spins? Kind of like a mustard.
That doesn't look that way.
Oh, it can if we spin them properly.
That fidget spinner looks scary.
No, do you think I can spin it on this side?
No.
No, it ended up on the side. It's hard to get it to go on that side. You gotta balance it properly and get a good spin on it.
That's the one.
Oh, I
from
got it for a
Toys R
second, but
Us.
then it hit the phone.
That's the one from Toys R Us.
And Toys R Us is closing. So I won't be able to go to Toys R Us soon. Because of financial problems. Because you guys didn't go to Toys R Us often enough. There it is. We got it to work. Oh, and of course you stop it. I got it to spin on this big axis. Really hard. And Dada would like it to spin. Can you let it go, please?
No.
So Dada can spin? That's mean. What do you mean, no? Can you let it go, please?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Ready?
I'm so mean.
Yeah, I know. That's being mean. Dada, try this one. Dada, look at the colors when it spins. Whoa, it didn't make it. It went on to its other axis. It's hard to spin on that axis. What about this one? Give it a spin. Let's see what it, this is what it's supposed to spin like. Ah, I can't even spin it. This floor's got some little rough spots. This one spins really well. But does it spin on this axis? Yes. And then no. I think we can get it to spin. There it is. Whoa. Oh, it did a double spin. Spun on one axis, then fell, and spun on the other. This one I don't think we can do. The square. Oh, we can! Awesome. Can you spin them? What about this one? Which one is he building now? Which one do you think he's building now?
One.
I think it's the one you're holding. Look, it has the little red balls. See? See? There it is. We built these pretty fast. They were simple designs. You actually helped. Oh. Let's get them all spinning at the same time. Whoa. Whoa. Ah.
This is the one in the video.
This is the one that's in the video right now.
Yes.
Whoa, good spin. Whoa. Good job. Can you do that with this one too?
No. I just leave it.
You just leave these on the side while you play with one at a time. Okay. And what's your name? What's your name? What's your name, buddy?
Yeah, Emerson.
What's your name?
Or
My name is Emerson. And what are you doing? What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Oh, he bought them separate. Separate little packages. We bought them all together in one package. Oh no, he did buy them. They're all four in one package.
This is the biggest.
Oh no, we bought ours all four in one package. He bought his four separate. Interesting.
He's making the one.
Luckily, the bags were separated. There were four separate bags inside. Otherwise, we wouldn't know what parts go to what.
Why the face spin is
Like the day before when you opened up the other Legos to make a helicopter and a Range Rover and a Mars rover and all that stuff. You opened up several packages and Mama didn't know what to do because she didn't know what parts went with what. And it took her longer than we needed to. Oh, we kept it going. And kept it going. Oh no! It's coming for me. Yeah! It's still going. Whoa. Oh, you stopped it. Whoa, look at that one's cool. One, two, three, four.
That's a lot of fidget spinners.
Do you remember the order that we built these? I think it was 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the way we built them. He's working on. That's the one that he's building right now on the video. You saw him in the store, and you know it was the same ones from the video. Dad, I saw it was the same ones. I pointed them out to you, and you were like, "I want those."
And the one, and the scary one.
I asked him if he wanted a bicycle. He said no. But then he saw these and he wanted them. I was like, okay, well, we'll do it that way. We'll get you a bicycle another time. They all spin pretty well, huh? This one not quite as good. Still going. Just give it a little spin. Oh no. There it is. There's 3 of them. And 4. Whoa.
That Fidget spin will look scary.
Oh, okay.
That Fidget spin is in trouble.
Why? Why is he in trouble?
Because it gets too weary.
Too wobbly? This one makes cool patterns. Oh no. Oh, they crashed.
That one's having...
This one's going around this one and in between. Oh no, it crashed.
This one's...
That one's having trouble falling asleep.
Yes.
Like Rocket and Little Einsteins. It's still going. Dad just give it a little push. Oh, I did it. Gave it a little push and a little push. Oh, it's going faster. Oh no. It's coming after me.
Hurt.
Oh, look at the patterns. Cool. Oh, I had it going for so long. Look. See a little push.